In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response, then you will have 30 seconds to speak about the picture. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think this picture was taken in a small city or old town. There is a one man standing on the street while hanging two bags. I think he visits hometown. In the background picture, I can see some lows down and many earth buildings installed on the street.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think this picture was taken on the street. There are two men enjoying outdoor activities while they are running on the street. Uh, they look dangerous. In the middle of the picture, some cars and bicycles are driving on the street too. In the background of the picture, many buildings on the
In this part of the test, you will answer 3